Hello students, in this video we are solving class 11 chemistry, chapter 1, some basic concepts of chemistry, NCERT question 1.24. In this question, dinitrogen and dihydrogen react to form ammonia. The balanced chemical equation is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Now let us solve part 1. We are given, mass of nitrogen is 2.00 into 10 to the power 3 grams. Mass of hydrogen is 1.00 into 10 to the power 3 grams. First, convert masses into moles. Moles of nitrogen equals 2000 divided by 28, which is 71.43 moles. Moles of hydrogen equals 1000 divided by 2, which is 500 moles. Now find the limiting reagent. From the equation, 1 mole nitrogen requires 3 moles hydrogen. So, 71.43 moles nitrogen will require about 214.29 moles hydrogen. But we have 500 moles hydrogen, which is more than required. So, hydrogen is in excess and nitrogen is the limiting reagent. Now calculate ammonia formed. 1 mole nitrogen gives 2 moles ammonia. So, 71.43 moles nitrogen will give 142.86 moles ammonia. Now convert into mass. Mass equals moles multiplied by molar mass. So, 142.86 multiplied by 17 gives 2.43 into 10 to the power 3 grams. Now part 2. Yes, hydrogen remains unreacted because it is in excess. Part 3. Moles of hydrogen used is 214.29. Remaining hydrogen is 500 minus 214.29, which is 285.71 moles. Mass of remaining hydrogen equals 285.71 multiplied by 2, which is 5.71 into 10 to the power 2 grams. Answers. Mass of ammonia is 2.43 into 10 to the power 3 grams. Hydrogen remains unreacted. Remaining hydrogen mass is 5.71 into 10 to the power 2 grams.